Does it fuck up your bench? This arm's coming in front under, this arm is here to catch the back. One arm catches the back, and then I grab the back away. Come on, chin back. Oh, yeah. Big brain. Chin back. Chin back. Up. Chin back, good. Now help him in the rack. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't ever put your hand above.
Huh?
You do good. When you squat, don't ever put your hand above because you're squatting like here and here. Don't. But when you squat, like you're gonna squat like this. Or you're gonna over the bar. I would say
You just spot these.
one hand. So say you're on the phone and you squat. I'm a lefty too. So okay, if you're a lefty, you kind of sit on with this side. Yeah. But like yeah, so say you're on this side, hand under. Wait, I'll rest the ball on the track. Yeah. That way you see my legs. Push the rest up and help in the rack.
Spotting is a skill, man.
Yeah.
People
you know what's more of a skill than squatting?
What?
Not bailing. Squatting.
Just always.
Okay. But yeah, no. Yeah, because like Max, we all know my Max.
Oh yeah.
But when he squats like this, it gives me sense because you're gonna grab this,
you have to
like this. Your shoulders are already in not a good position.
And it's just kind of, you're trying to drop it.
Right, right? Sit back. Take your time, be great. Sit back. Top. Great. Sit back, sit back, sit back. Sit back, good.
That was
Very.
that one like.
Keep your back to hold that. Keep your chin
I know.
Once you like get that out of
I have to make sure to always do it.
Yeah. It has to be up here.
Because your spine's stacked better. Which makes everything.
You.
Yeah.
Good morning, Brad. I
Huh?
So like once you get that chin back locked in, you'll be fine.
Yeah, anyways.
You can see once you start,
Yeah,
you
I was-
immediately start to.
Yeah. Anyways.
Extra, this shit is hard.
I'm gonna unrack it myself.
This gonna be like wrapped in it like a. Come on.
Shit. Oh. Shit. I feel like I screwed my light drive. I wasn't really. Yeah. You should know. Hold on. In my hands. Hold on.
Good. Time settled. Pull back tight. Push your legs, push your legs, push your legs.
I got it.
Tight on the hands. Pull.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm not gonna think too much here, okay?
Come on, get it.
No, my shoulders. No. Just hold it. Yeah. window cleaning affect your fatigue? Maybe a little bit in your shoulders.
So you come to the gym, are you fried from cleaning windows and being outside all day?
Well, I feel like I'm getting more blood flow on, like I'm doing it over my head
Yeah.
a lot, so it feels kind of nice.
Does it fuck up your bench?
I wouldn't say it's that much fatigue. I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not always going to be doing it.
Yeah.
So this, I guess. Okay. I can go right now, okay? Just the chalk. My hands get super sweaty.
Points today.
That's too much. What did you say? Sir. Huh?
Steak with a slightly spongy.
Yes, sir.
Honestly, pretty good. I know, but it's like, oh my god, it ends up fucking on the other side. Make sure I'm on the frame. I don't want to be a yet. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go. Damn, pretty impressive. We'll do one more. We'll do the Jared James fit one. He goes like this. It's such a weird pose.